What are your partner's current feelings and next actions? We'll find it out in this video, just like every single day, guys. Hi, how are you? This is Rose Day today. Okay, and you're getting this video. So when people are not expecting, some things happen unexpectedly, and especially, I keep getting surprises in my life. Surprises after surprises when I'm least expecting it. So when I expect it, nothing happens. Okay, when I least expect things, it happens. Okay, so guys, welcome on this particular reading. This reading is timeless, not gender specific. Only take what resonates and leave what does not. All right, so guys, this is regarding your person. How are you feeling on this particular day, Rose Day? This is Valentine's week, and I hope that you're doing great. Okay, uh, I have some other other things to do. Okay, so I'm gonna make this a short reading, quick reading. Okay, what are your person thinking today? This is Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Okay, wow, this person really, this person wants to do everything that you tell them. Okay, you want to tell them something, they'll be like there. In case you ask them for, a special gift today, they will bring you that particular gift. This is Knight of Cups. They are in, like, they are head over heels in love with you, your person. This is your person's reading. They're head over heels in love with you, and yes, look at that, that's a knight card. That's a knight card. They're like, I want you. I want you. Let's be together. There is two of swords card. All right. Let's take more cards on this one, okay? I think your person is, they are not able to make the decision with the ace of swords and two of swords. Look at that. Okay, so this two of swords is more like the past energy. Your person was very, very confused whether to, go towards you or not, because in their feelings they want to continue with you. In their feelings they want to give you this proposal. In their feelings they want to have a communication. So there is a communication in the future that is showing me with the ace of swords. I feel like your person is very much confident now. Okay, the queen of wands. What's this queen of wands for? Who is this person? Nine of pentacles. I feel this is you are looking forward to have a communication with this person with 3 energies. Okay, what more do we have for you guys? This Knight of Cups is more like they want to approach you. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups and Queen of Cups, they want to approach you. All right, guys, I feel like you are very much like you're attracting your blessings. Okay, there's the Fool card. A lot of cards fell down. Okay, that's the Fool card. Okay, yes, you want a new beginning. Okay, and I feel like you want a new beginning. You're more like letting go this person. You're more like, okay, let go, let go. I'm not even thinking about them. So you are more like that. You're not even thinking about this person. Plus, there is a Queen of Wands for you and Nine of Pentacles for you. I feel like you have attracted a lot of abundance, blessing. You are someone who has become this leader person. So you are in the leadership of your own life. Okay, so you're in the leadership. You're action oriented. This Queen of Wands is, you know I wouldn't say that a lot, like, people could think that you have ego, but it's not that. Okay, people could think that you are a very egoist person, but I don't think, like, because this is the Queen of Wands card that's coming for my collective, and it's more like you could feel like to a lot of people that you're egoist, or maybe you're like a teacher who keeps, who wants things a certain way. You could be a perfectionist with this particular card. So I want everything perfect, okay? And inside that it could be, it could be a thing with you, okay? But now you're working on it. I feel like you're working on it now. With the Nine of Pentacles, you are attracting, you're being humbled by divine forces. Yes, you're being humbled by divine forces. But with you, I feel like with this Fool card, you are not waiting for your person a lot. Yes, you are expecting a communication from your person. You want this communication to happen. But with this Fool card, you're more like, you know what, I am in my own I'm in my own way, I'm in my own zone. With this, you're holding your own rose for yourself. Look at that. So you're holding your own rose, okay? With the rose day today, I especially saw this rose, I don't know, but yeah. So you're holding your own rose and you're thinking like, you know what, and this card is directing away from your person, like going towards them. But even if this is giving me that vibe, even if you and your partner cross, you would not see them, and you would keep working your thing. And that's how you are in your vibes. That's how you want to start afresh. That's how uh you want to fall off the cliff. You want to fall in love with yourself all over again. So this is who you are. You want to fall in love with yourself. So with this Queen of Wands, what is this telling me about you? Okay, um even if this person comes to you, even if they have not shown up till now, you have spent a lot of time thinking about them. You have spent a lot of time, like whether they are going to come to you, not come to you, what's going to happen. So now you're leaving all of that with the Fool energy. You're like, you're ready to fall off the cliff, okay? Even it could be, like it is giving me that vibe which you don't want. Like, even if this person sees you fall down, you would be like, I'm good, you don't care. You don't care, I'm good, I'm better than who you think I am, and I'm better than what you have. So you have all this, protection layers with to yourself, because you're working also. I'm telling you, you have attracted a lot of abundance and prosperity and blessings. You're working also, you're working hard on something, okay? This is why you're ready to fall in love with yourself all over again. You're ready to fall in love with your own life. What about this person that you're here to see the video or the reading for? Let's see, what about this person? Yeah, so Six of Swords. Let me see, what is this for? Let me see what's this for. The Page of Swords. Okay, so oh my god, oh my god, there is a Three of Wands. I want to take one more card for the clarity. What's this Three of Wands card? Right, okay guys, let me just tell you this. As as you left, okay, when there was a breakup, okay, when there was a breakup, when you left, okay, you actually received some kind of help, divine help, okay? But then this person kept texting you in a bad way, okay? Your person kept texting you, kept poking you somewhere, okay? This is why I feel like, this person kept treating you bad even after you left. After you left, this person kept treating you bad even after that, okay? This is why, this person literally don't know why you did this, but where this person is at now. So this was in the past. Now this person wants to take an action to actually communicate with you. So this is giving me that vibe. This person actually wanted to control you a lot, okay? This person could be, could have baited you to come into their particular aura, okay? And now this person knows you're way out of their league. So you have changed your life altogether. You have this person thinks like, yeah, they could think that you're out of their league, but what are they hoping? That you guys could actually go for a, you know, second chances. So this person wants a second chance with the, yes, that's actually true. Okay, that's true. This person wants to have this second chance with you. Look at that, what this person is looking forward to. This is three of wands. In case they live away from, like away from you, this person is looking to travel to you. This person wants to recommunicate. This person is looking forward with you. And this is, you know, six of cups. This person is more like, uh, remember how we used to be, remember. So this person wants to make you remember all the good and happy memories that you guys were together. Okay, this person wants to give you a feeling of home, and as we called home, there is a home. Okay, there is a 10 of cups. I also received 4 of wands, but I couldn't take that card at that time. So this person wants you to remember, right? Okay, so with your full energy, you being you being like, I am in my own way, I am in my own stride, and this and that. That's 1111. Okay, this is your new beginning. But this person, like, I feel like you have forgotten all of the good memories. You have erased all of those memories where this person was with you, and it does not bother you anymore that, you know, this person was there with me. And so you're not, you're not sucked away in those feelings anymore when this person and you were together and you had to leave. So this is more like you had to leave. This person made it very much burdened on you, that why did you leave, and they did not even ask you, but like something is telling me they even treated you bad after you left. Okay, they could have messaged you so many things. They could have, you know, been gaslighting you in some messages. Okay, so your person tried to gaslight you. There is, you know, they couldn't even let you leave, and they couldn't even let you breathe in your own aura. Okay, when you left, so it was already heavy on you. But this person was very toxic back then, but they literally want to have this communication. They are head over heels in love with you. And I feel like with this, they want to give you a home feeling. They want to travel to you. They want to take you out on a date, or maybe 3 days could be specific for you. Number three could be specific. There could be, you know, three people meeting together, something like that. But three of wands is like, I'm looking forward to have a happy memory feeling and a home with you, right? So this is what your person is feeling. I'm telling you, this person is even thinking of you even now, when you're thinking, when you're, you know, getting this reading done. And you are like, I'm okay with my life, I'm okay with my life, I'm great. So for you, there are angel numbers 1111, 4433, and 1313. I've received that up till now. Okay, wow. I am like, okay, let's find your guidance cards. Okay, guys, any of you who wants to get your personal readings done, book it through WhatsApp with me. Okay, recently, I don't know, I have had some, you know, work lately, and I am skipping to say this in my videos, but yeah, you can actually book your readings through WhatsApp with me. Okay, I don't know why, but like today I'm stuttering and I feel like I'm going too fast, something like that. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, any final guidance cards for my collective? This is 144. Okay, Queen of Pentacles is here, Tower is here, Eight of Cups is here, and Two of Pentacles and the World card is here. Okay, so, well, there are so many queens in this particular reading. We have Queen of Swords also. Okay, let's find out what's your guidance. You know, you treated your person way too much nice. Okay, way too much patience was there when you had when you were there with your person. A lot of patience, a lot of grounded energy. your person literally felt with you. So this is coming to me as it changed a lot of your who you are. Okay, it changed a lot of who you are. Your person, I feel like there was a lot of patience. You treated yourself, your person, with a lot of patience in the past. Okay, you're the Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is connected vastly with the divine. Okay, then there was this Tower. I feel like your person did not have enough money, or they had to struggle a lot for money. They had to work a lot for money. But then after this was happening, there was this Tower. Okay, so you waited, you kept waiting for your person, but this Tower came in, then you left. Okay, there is like you leaving the Tower. So this Tower is exactly on this. Okay, your person may have said something to you exactly on this. Okay, so yes, your person did so much to let you go, to say bad things. Basically, your person said a lot of bad things. This is why you left. Okay, I can see this Page of Swords, and this is literally giving me that vibe, like you can't even fight with a person like that. Okay, so you did not even fight with your person. I'm feeling like you just let go. You just went away. You just went far, and you did not even fight with your person. Now there is like this the guidance card are more like telling me more about the situation over and over. So this is you're feeling right now, I'm confused. Should I go towards my person, or should I go towards ending the cycle? Look at that. Why did this person break up with you? So this is your confusion exactly. Here you are, whether you wanna go back to your person, keep thinking about the situation, or you want to end the cycle. Okay, but this could be your choice, whether you want to end the cycle. Okay, whether you want to choose the thoughts of your person. Okay, but then I'm feeling like you became so hard on yourself. You became so crushed in your own self that you started to behave like a queen in actual life. So this is all who you are. Okay, even if this person literally wants to be with you, you are still struggling whether you should let go, or you should actually be in your person's thoughts, which are again at number 8. I'm feeling you're still waiting. There is a lot of wait, and I'm telling you, you're still looking forward to talk to your person, even if you're in your own zone, even if you're flying high, even if you fall down, you don't care now. But you still are looking forward to your communication with your person. Okay, God is saying leave it to me. Okay, I can't show you the cards because I have taken a lot of cards right now. Okay, but God is saying leave it to me. Okay, a lot of things will be shown to you at the right time. So yeah, this is actually something, somebody might propose you in 2 to 3 days. Today it could be 11 days, could be significant for you. Okay, 2 days, 11 days could be significant for you, or 9 days. Someone could actually communicate with you and tell you a lot of things. Okay, so yeah, that was your reading, guys. I am closing your reading. Thank you for coming here, giving your special time. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, press that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. Book your personal readings through WhatsApp with me. I will see you next time. Till then, take care, keep smiling, and Radhe Radhe to you.